how to make linen stitches. Linen stitches, they are single crochets that catch into one another with the help of chain stitches. You always, as such, it's always the same rhythm. In your previous round you have a chain 1 space where you work a single crochet into a chain 1, you skip the single crochet, and in the next chain 1 space work a single crochet, chain 1, skip the single crochet and work a single crochet in the chain 1 space. And this is the rhythm of a linen stitch. Some people call this also a moss stitch. I've seen different stitches, names for this same stitch. There's a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, and your single crochets you're working in chain spaces, and by doing so you're getting a pattern where stitches really catch into one another, and that gives a really detailed and dense stitch pattern. It's suitable for a lot of different designs. Bags is perfect for, but also blankets and afghans it's really perfect stitch for.